Sound leakage, also called sound bleed, occurs when audio from your headphones escapes and becomes audible to people around you. This happens when air vibrations from the speakers penetrate through the earpads. Here's a technical view of how sound leakage varies across different frequencies. The blue line shows how much sound escapes at different pitches, with higher frequencies generally leaking more than lower ones. The first and most effective way to minimize sound leakage is to lower your volume. Research shows that most headphones below 80% volume typically don't leak sound to others around you. Choose closed-back headphones over open-back designs. Closed-back headphones are specifically engineered to contain sound, while open-back headphones intentionally allow sound to escape for a wider soundstage but sacrifice privacy. Proper fit is crucial for effective noise isolation. A snug, comfortable fit ensures that your headphones create a good seal around your ears, preventing sound from escaping. For in-ear headphones, the choice of ear tips makes a significant difference. Foam ear tips create a much better seal compared to silicone tips, resulting in less sound leakage and better noise isolation. Finally, consider replacing worn or old ear pads with new ones made of leather or memory foam. These materials create a superior seal around your ears, significantly reducing sound leakage while improving comfort during extended use. Active noise cancellation technology represents a major advancement in reducing headphone sound leakage. ANC headphones use sophisticated microphones and signal processing to actively combat external noise. The process works by using external microphones to detect ambient noise. The headphones then generate an opposing sound wave that cancels out the unwanted noise, effectively reducing the overall sound level and minimizing leakage. Modern headphones incorporate artificial intelligence to enhance noise cancellation effectiveness. AI algorithms continuously analyze your surrounding environment and automatically adjust cancellation parameters in real time. However, ANC technology has important limitations. It works most effectively against continuous steady noises like engine drone or air conditioning hum. Dynamic sounds like human speech or sudden noises are much harder to cancel. Beyond hardware solutions, you can configure your device's amplifier settings to reduce sound leakage. Adjusting frequency response and overall volume levels through your audio settings can significantly minimize unwanted sound escape. Finally, remember the simplest yet most effective technique. Always mute or turn off your audio when headphones are not actively being used. This prevents any unnecessary sound from escaping and is especially important in quiet environments.